Well, I'm in an 06 Cummins today, as you can see, and I'm testing out my switchable tunes. Got it all working now. I got 6 levels on the 2006 Cummins, so I should have them now all the way from 2003 all the way up to 2007. 5.9 Cummins with HP tuners. So we'll just go for a little drive here. The tack doesn't work, so it's kind of hard to show you that, and second gear is a little late, so that's probably going to mess you up a little bit too to watch, and it's wet out, so I don't have much traction. But right now I have a foot to the floor and we're in valet mode, so I'll just turn this up, foot to the floor at the same time. Now we're at like stock, well, like a stock equivalent kind of thing. Could be a little more powerful than stock, but completely safe and stuff like that. You can cruise around like that all day, whatever you want to do. Or we could go to a 12 valve tune. Cruise along in your 12 valve tune if you want. Or go back to a regular tune. Now we're back on a normal tune here. Let's just do a little pull here on, this would be probably the stock equivalent. It'd be a little faster than stock because it's just more efficient, but that's foot to the floor there. So nice and safe. You can't ever wreck your truck or anything like that. And then we can turn it up. Let's maybe just go full for fun. It's still a little wet, so I don't know how the traction's gonna be here. This thing does have some big injectors, and we're running a lot of fuel pressure, so let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's too slippery to really do a good test like that, but I mean, all the power levels work, and we have 12 valve, and yeah, 6 levels, and it should work on, well, it works on my 2003 Cummins perfect, and it works on this 06 Cummins perfect, using the same hardware, the same switch. The only thing I changed is the tuning, obviously, because they run a different operating system. So I should be able to get it to work on all the years between that, no problem at all. And I definitely want to test it on a few more trucks locally first, so I can see how it reacts in person, because if I send a few of these out to you guys wherever you are in the world and then there's like an issue, it's like, how do I fix it? Because it's kind of hard to do it over the internet for stuff like that. This is a little more complicated than just a regular tune. But I'm just going to pull over here in a second. I'm going to show you the truck I'm working on here. It's a pretty sweet truck, actually. Okay, maybe we'll do another pull. Yeah, no traction. But if you can look in the mirror, no smoke either, because I just got this thing dialed right in, because the owner let me just have it for as long as I need, so I just take my time. I have the tuner right dialed in, just perfect. It's really cool. So I'll just stop here real quick. Bad truck. I'm super jealous. I want to get a mega cab now. Some awesome stacks and stuff. Here, I'll turn on the 12 valve. It's super loud. So yeah, there you go. Works on the 2006 perfectly. It was definitely a lot different. I had to completely redo the tune compared to the 2003, but that's okay. Now I got the 2003 and the 2006, and everything in between is like pretty similar. So I should be able to get them. I know they all work. That's for sure. It might just take a little bit of change in the tuning, but it's the same hardware between all the trucks. So yeah, just want to try a couple more trucks locally, as I said, and then I'll release them to everybody. Send them out wherever you are in the world. You can have one. Let's just do one little pull up this hill real quick. Oh yeah, and I put a this thing has a built transmission, so it's okay in this truck, but I put a torque converter lockup switch here. It's not in second gear yet. Let's see. There's second gear locked up right now. Oh no, never mind. There we go. See, it's a little late on the second gear shift. Now we're in third gear. Okay. Third gear locked up, foot to the floor, it's like lugging it. But we'll unlock the torque converter, lock it back up. Locked in third gear. Yeah, it's too wet to really do any good testing today. It's just wheel spin. But yeah, got the lockup switch, got the 6 level switchable tunes, and I gave it to him all for nothing because he let me use his truck for testing it all out. So there you go. It's coming soon. Just a little bit longer. You guys gotta wait. Or if you're local, come and see me, and I'll throw it in your truck. You can test for me. It all works exactly how it should. I want to see it work in more trucks first. So come and see me.